Welcome back, folks. So if you're watching this video, you're probably kind of like me in that you need some sort of rugged tablet for being outdoors, doing different professional work, being able to access the internet perhaps. Also too, perhaps you're doing inventory, construction, architecture, you're keeping track of things, whatever it might be. You're using different apps. In my case, as a content creator, one of the things I like to do is have the ability to check my work. And a lot of times lugging around a laptop to do that is a little more difficult, requires more weight. You can't easily walk around with it, so on and so forth. And so that's where a tablet like this really comes into play. So with this, folks, I've been using this for a while. I got it set up to my liking in terms of what I need. I've done several Windows updates on it too, so I've got it updated to its latest thing. I put latest evolution. I've put Norton on it as well, and a few other things just to kind of help me out. But we've got all sorts of different kinds of options here. So I'll just show you real quick kind of like what I would use it for. Is I do a lot of drone work, and then also I film with other cameras and stuff. And as I mentioned before, I want that ability to kind of check the video because coming back on location to reset everything up is expensive, you know. And so something like this, I can kind of go and check and plug in SD card with the adapter that I have right here, and then come in and kind of check and see what my footage is. So for instance, you know, even if I'm out in the middle of, for instance, Manitoba, or for instance, if I'm out somewhere, perhaps in, let's say, where were we here? Or out near Banff National Park, I can kind of look at my footage and see what I got and see how it kind of came out or how it looks. And then, you know, if I don't like the video file or whatever, I can just go ahead and delete that and then try to reshoot or refilm or whatever it might be. So for here, for instance, I was out in the middle of Saskatchewan. So with this, you know, if I wanted to get some good scenic footage, whatever, or just check what I'm doing or send my drone up, now I can kind of have a look at it and see if it's going to work for me or not. So as you can see, the playback is pretty good. I filmed all this stuff in 4K and it looks good. Also too, folks, we're standing outside in the sun as well. The sun is setting a little bit, but you know, we're out here in the woods actually. So a lot of times where I'm at in the woods, I do a lot of filming out here as well. So a lot of product reviews and for other social media and stuff, I'll be out here in the woods right at the location I'm at now. So, you know, sometimes whenever I've played with previous tablets before, you know, this touchscreen is real sensitive or whatever, but I haven't had any problems with this whatsoever, like if I'm typing or something like that. Now up here, I'm in the woods here. I neglected to kind of set up my hotspotting off of my phone. But, you know, for instance, if I needed to type something or whatever, pretty much the keyboard here, you can either use your fingers or use the stylus that comes with it, and you know, pretty much put in whatever you need to, you know. So, you know, for instance, if you needed to type something real quick, whatever, or any typing that you need to do, super easy, you know, no problem whatsoever. So, like I said, I'm not online right now, but there you go. Also, folks, this kind of comes in a kind of a rugged case with some kind of a grippy edge on it. It also has another handhold thing that you can attach to it on the back, and kind of some rubberized edges. There's an optional fingerprint reader that you can get for it. There's also some sort of optional scanner. There's a built-in camera. There's also a battery that you can switch out and replace with another battery if need be. There's multiple ports as well, so you've got different options here. Pop these covers off, different serial ports. You've got an Ethernet port right here, and then on this side you've got HDMI, which is great. So if you need to plug it into a TV to watch a TV show off of the tablet, or YouTube off of the tablet, or something like that, you could do that. And then there's the USB-C and then a USB 3.0 there. And then this is where your power adapter goes right here. One of the things I've found with it so far, like leaving it on for hours and hours, I've not done like a complete test on the exact amount of hours, but pretty much for hours and hours, I left it unplugged and had it running different things, and it did just fine. So up top here is pretty much, you can adjust the volume. So there is a speaker built into this, which seems to work, you know, pretty decently. And then you also have your power button here and all that. So anyways, folks, real nice rugged tablet that works real well. And, you know, definitely check this out if you want something that's more of like an outdoor kind of tablet. For me, I'll be using it in my barn, and then also too, bringing it out here to the outdoors, and I'll be traveling with it as well. So yeah, I'm, you know, super excited to have it. Munbyn, thank you. They actually sent this to me for evaluation, so I'd appreciate that. Of course, my opinions are always my own. We'll do more videos on this in the future with some different things we're going to do with it. So stay tuned for those over time. Y'all have a good one.